Hey, groovy guys and gals, it's Barry again with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Pair. I've got a little cat milling around down here. And today we're demonstrating another one of my signature full Delco system conversions. This comes out of a 1970 Pontiac Trans Am sent in by Steve from Sonora, Texas. And we're here to turn everything on and make sure everything works before we send her back. Steve has requested the modern FM conversion. With this radio is already AM/FM, but now it's going to have a heck of a lot more output power. He's also requested the Bluetooth edition, and of course the 8-track gets converted with the radio for optimum sound. So let's turn the radio on, and I've got all the FM stations preset to stations in my area, so we can run through this quickly and keep the songs very short, so I don't get nailed for copyright issues. So let's turn her on.
Out of 50, I think there were.
Okay, I don't think I'll get nailed for copyright on that one.
But the top 10.
Okay. Now this is an AM button, so we can't use this just yet.
The doctor, and that's great.
More jobs and families.
Okay, now we switch to AM, and that's a strong AM station I get in this area. So let's keep it on that since it's talk radio, and we're going to demonstrate the virtual front rear fader. We activate that by giving our tone control 2 turns to the right. So I'm going to rotate it to center, so I've got room to turn it to the right. And here we go.
Or maybe her singing dream.
Try it again.
Sign up for Know Your Drive and save up to 20%. American Family Insurance. Insure carefully, dream fearlessly.
Okay, it doesn't always activate the first couple times. I get the feel for it.
Visit amfam.com/knowyourdrive for details. American Family Mutual Insurance Company, SI, and its operating company, 6000 American Parkway, Madison, Wisconsin.
There's more to
Fader.
There we go. Just takes a few tries. Let's get our output level meters in the picture so we can see the results of our adjustments. All the way rear, all the way front. We're using the same knob that we used to activate it to adjust it. Okay, I'm going to stop adjusting it, and fader set. Okay, we're going to try the same thing with the left-right balance control. Same procedure, except we rotate our tone control twice to the left to activate that function. So let's try that.
click About Us and
Balance adjust.
Okay, and now this same control is adjusting the left-right speaker balance. Okay, I'm going to let that time out.
Balance set.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We do that by giving our volume control 2 turns to the right.
Click About Us and select
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, Bluetooth ready to pair, so it's now trying to pair with a portable audio device. And as you guys know, I don't do all that on demo videos. I just make sure it goes into pairing mode. And so, okay, let's test the dial lamp, make sure the dial light comes on and off. We don't need the meters anymore. Just make sure our dial light comes. You can just barely see that dial light peeking through right about there, flashing on and off in response to my commands. Okay, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka. Gonna switch tracks a bunch of times. Again, I always had the tone control in the middle when I first tested the 8-track, and I'm wondering, why does it not sound as bright as I make it sound? That's because I had the radio's tone control down, so turning it up, and now you see how bright that 8-track is. Nice, solid, ballsy, high mid-range, with a little bit of brilliance. Okay, we're at a blank spot on that track. Okay, we're going to be coming up on a track change right there.
Pairing not completed.
Okay. That's the lady coming on saying, pairing not completed, in reference to the Bluetooth function. Okay, pull the tape out. Radio comes right back. Okay, this customer has also requested my super cool master input-output box, which has your left and right, front and rear preamp outputs for use with an external amplifier. Also has an unpowered subwoofer output. It normally has the aux input on this box, but when I do a full Delco system conversion, I put the aux input on the back of the 8-track. So that because it just makes the system so much easier to understand. So I just removed the aux jacks from my box and put them on the 8-track instead. So your aux input is on the 8-track. You don't lose the aux input just because you want to use the radio's aux input for your 8-track, because in my shop you get an aux input added to the 8-track as well. So anytime there's no tape inserted, anything plugged in the aux input will pass through the radio automatically. And so that I don't have to keep writing it into the Bluetooth manuals, every Bluetooth conversion will come with a built-in microphone, and this one does as well. So there is a built-in Bluetooth microphone. There is also an external microphone in case you drive a convertible and want to put that mic right in front of your mouth to drown out the wind noise. Then you can mount that to your visor. But most folks just use the built-in microphone, and that seems to work fine for their purposes. So everything has been tested, ready to go back. I'm ready to answer the phone, or at least find out what the message is. And I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen another one of my signature full Delco system conversions. This particular level of conversion is only available at my shop because I design the new I design and build the new preamp. It's not something you can buy. It's something that I build from my own design. So that being stated, you can reach me at 928-533-9666 for paying, repair, or conversion work. I don't sell parts, belts, or give out free repair advice, so don't call for those reasons. And my website is in the description below. My phone number is 928-533-9666. Thanks, guys, so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Steve, for your business from Sonora, Texas, and we'll see you guys next time.